Gonna is a way of saying going to and used in informal conversation. It's gonna be plus adjective is used to say how or what something is going to be like. Examples: it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be crowded. It's gonna be exciting to ride on that roller coaster. It's gonna be dark soon. It's gonna be fun. Don't worry. It's gonna be difficult to reach that one. It's gonna be easy because I've done it many times. It's gonna be cold out there later, so bring your jacket with you. It's gonna be more expensive if you don't book in advance. It's gonna be messy if you don't do it right.